Quand on partait de bon matin, quand on partait sur les chemins à bicyclette, nous étions quelques bons copains. Il y avait Fernand, il y avait Firmin, il y avait Francis et Sébastien, et puis Paulette. On était tous amoureux d'elle, on se sentait pousser des ailes à bicyclette. Sur les petits chemins de terre, on a souvent vécu l'enfer pour ne pas mettre pied à terre devant Paulette. Faut dire qu'elle y mettait du cœur, c'était la fille du facteur à bicyclette. Et depuis qu'elle avait 8 ans, elle avait fait en le suivant tous les chemins environnants à bicyclette. Quand on approchait la rivière, on déposait dans les fougères nos bicyclettes. Puis on se roulait dans les champs, faisant naître un bouquet changeant de sauterelles, de papillons et de rainettes. Quand le soleil à l'horizon profilait sur tous les buissons nos silhouettes, on revenait fourbu content, le cœur un peu vague pourtant, de n'être pas un seul instant avec Paulette. Prendre furtivement sa main, oublier un peu les copains, la bicyclette. On se disait c'est pour demain, j'oserai demain, quand on ira sur les chemins à bicyclette.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I like. You say black, I say white. You say bar, I say bite. You say shark, I say him. And Jaws was never my scene, and I don't like Star Wars. You say Rose, I say Royce. You say God, give me a choice. You say Lord, I say Christ. I don't believe in Peter Pan, Frankenstein or Superman. All I wanna do is rise, rise, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Races are coming your way, so forget all your duties, oh yeah. cocaine. You say John, I say Wayne, hot dog. I say cooler man, I don't want to be the president of America. You say smile, I say cheese, Cartier, I say please, income tax. I say Jesus, I don't want to be a candidate for Vietnam or Watergate. 'Cause all I want to do is bicycle, yeah, bicycle, yeah, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle. Come on, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I like.
I went riding on my bike. With spanner, pump back and front light. That's all I need to ride in. A marathon I'm entering. I'm raising for a charity. Sponsors come running to me. I've learned to cut that yellow line and park my bike there anytime. No minute money for the meter men. The road tax up to pay to them. The petrol pump's been blown sky high. My MOT's now out for cry. I got to Dundalk just last week, but you're not silly, believe in me. We sold our car to skip the fine. £10 I found I couldn't find. Oh no, you don't fool Morris. I've had my fill of petrol fumes, attached myself to big balloons and pumped them full of precious air. The traffic jams look with despair. Written for your charity. And on my bike I long to see. Pedal pushes at a mellow pace. With direction simple to trace. I hope we get that extra change and build that child's broken wing. I've learned to ride your yellow line and park my bike there anytime. No minute money for the meter men or bike tax up to pay to them. I've been riding treetop high. My insurance is by the by. in a suit and tie, shepherd's bush and a leopard's pie. She's marching to the funky beat of James Brown and his dancing feet. I'm gonna set your fish on fire, pistol whipping of desire. So please do not resist your fate. I'll pick you up, yes, it's a day. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Sitting there in a silent movie beside the only girl who really ever knew me. Happy days but sad of facing, heaven knows I'm on the case. Oh, how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty of your verse. My girl, I heard it first, the beauty of your verse. A sticky finger and a wicked taste, got a lot of nerve and a lyrical case. Be sure to write it in your book, I promise not to look. I wanna smell your sunny face, funny place but it's never a waste. I'd hop this fence to make amends, I hope this movie never ends. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Make it up, making you my business. A funny buttercup, gotta live for forgiveness. Happy days but sad of facing, heaven knows I'm on the case. So how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty